Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And in this video I'm going to review this case I purchased for a very reasonable price on AliExpress for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. As usual with AliExpress, it takes about a week and sometimes 2 weeks for stuff to be delivered, but this was relatively quickly delivered within 7 days. And it is a MagSafe compatible or a magnetic accessory compatible case for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Packaging is pretty simple, plastic bag and a bit of styrofoam in there to keep the shape on the thing. Interestingly, the coil is actually metal, and you can see that texture in the magnetic coil. It seems to have a bit of ribbing on it. And then we have the case itself, which is a sort of rubberized material by the feel of it. And then the TPU case itself. So what I'm going to do is pop on my Google Pixel 9 XL, slip it in with the buttons facing the button enclosure, and there we go. So it's a tight feeling case, as in it doesn't have a lot of extra space in it. Has a nice little magnetic coil here for accessories, and it turns on fine. So power button, little extender to the button here that you can see works as expected. There is no stickiness in the volume buttons, as you can see. It's very responsive, up one, down one, and then it works well, so that's a good sign. There's a little lanyard hole at the bottom right of the case for you to put in your lanyard. All the appropriate cutouts for the speaker grill, microphone, and USB Type-C port. Nothing on the left-hand side, just as with the Pixel 9 Pro, and the appropriate microphone hole at the top is where you'd expect it to be. In terms of camera module protection, there isn't much there. It's just there, just enough. But I would suggest having a protector on that, or essentially use a different case. So protection for that is not great. What I'm going to do now is go and get my power bank, which is a MagSafe compatible one, just to see how it performs. Okay then, so I'm here with my Limeta power bank. This is the one we recently reviewed on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, and I have been using both with my iPhone 15 Pro Max and with the Google Pixel 8 Pro. So what we're going to do is see if it fits. Yes, it does. That's good to see. But does it charge? Do I need to press the power button on here? Is there a power button on here? Doesn't feel like it. Is this in the right position? Yes, it is. So it just needed a bit of a wiggle, but you can see it's now charging the Google Pixel 9 Pro. It's nice and strong and not losing the phone whilst holding it with a power bank. And it's saying that my phones are fully charged by midnight, which means that it's slow charging, and that's what you'd expect from a wireless charger. This particular one is also compatible with Apple Watch, but obviously I don't have an Apple Watch to test that with. But in terms of the power bank for the Pixel 8 Pro and this case, it's doing what's expected of it. Let's try this other power bank, one that I purchased on Amazon and which I'm currently reviewing. This is a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank, declaredly. And the magnet has, interesting, the magnet's not great here. Let's try turning it upside down. No. So this particular one, which is not officially a MagSafe accessory, it's not made for iPhone, doesn't seem to be doing its thing. Is there a, whoa, and it slides off. So this power bank, not good. Limeta, very good. I'm happy with that. And it charges. So with a good MagSafe accessory, you will be able to use this power bank, this case with your power banks or other magnetic accessories. So all in all, word of warning, there isn't much in terms of bezel protection or lift for the screen, so ensure you have a screen protector when using this case, and the same goes for the camera. Not much protection there. It has a bit of bumper protection for the corners, but not much to write home about. But again, for around about £2 sterling, nothing to complain about. £2 including free delivery all the way from China. Nothing to complain about. And if you have a good MagSafe accessory, it's for you. Anyway, I'll leave a link in the description to where you too can purchase this case for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. If you have any questions, if you'd like to know more, please do feel free to reach out to us. We'll do our best to get back to you, or, as in some cases, make a dedicated video answering your question. As I said earlier, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching, and goodbye from me.